What's up, YouTube? So here's a good one. This is a 04 Ford Taurus, had lean codes, bank 1 and 2. The guy put a new mass airflow sensor, put some new O2 sensors on it. He called me up and I told him, you probably have a vacuum leak. Listen for a vacuum leak. They said they couldn't find a vacuum leak, or you got low fuel pressure. There's a bunch of shit that could cause lean codes. Most common is a vacuum leak. Anyways, bottom line, I popped the hood. I was under here about 2 minutes. I definitely heard a vacuum leak over in this area. As you can see, that new part right there, that is your intake runner valve. There's an O-ring on it. That was basically, had a vacuum leak at it. It was running like shit, idling rough. It would die sometimes. So just, you know, a lot of times lean codes, they say O2 sensors, blah, blah, blah. Anyways, bottom line is, you got to make sure you got no vacuum leak first. This thing definitely had a vacuum leak. It was a quick fix. The part's about $100. I probably could have got an O-ring, but you know, trying to find an O-ring that fits that perfectly is a little hard when you can buy the new part that comes with the O-ring. Anyway, so this thing's fixed. Lean codes, bank 1 and 2. Vacuum leak. Most lean codes are vacuum leaks. Take a quick look at this part, and I like to try to always put a Ford part on it if I can get Ford parts. If they're obsolete, which sometimes they are, at that time I'll go aftermarket. So I don't know if you could see that there's an O-ring around that. It fits in the upper intake manifold. It's supposed to fit snug. It was loose. I could wiggle it around and change the vacuum leak. But yeah, just pop the hood. Listen for vacuum noise, hissing. As it would fail and stumble, the vacuum leak sound would get worse. There is some, these plastic intakes, they do make a little bit of vacuum noise, but some of it's normal. I'm talking excessive vacuum noise sound. Anyways, this thing's fixed. It's going home to mama. 04 Taurus 3.0 vacuum leak on the intake runner valve O-ring. Alright, over and out. Follow, like, subscribe, drop a comment if you guys ran into some vacuum leaks on these old beasts. It's fixed. Going home. See if I can get a picture for the screenshot. Bam. Alright guys, later. Try to give you a quick one. I would have showed you me putting it on, but didn't have time for that. I'm just gonna throw it out here. You know, lean codes, vacuum leak. Bank 1 and 2, vacuum leak. She's running a lot better now.